What's up guys, welcome to Boosted Motorsports and welcome to the channel. If you're new, hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. We do a lot of automotive related content, so you guys definitely want to stick around. So today I'm working on the S2000 very quickly, and then I'm gonna get into some stuff that you guys are probably gonna like. We have Jason coming up with his truck, so that'll be the next video, but I'm just getting some stuff done because we're gonna be very busy with his Dodge Dakota RT and the build on that truck. So as you guys know, if you're following me on social media, Instagram, Facebook, definitely check me out over there. I post kind of sneak peeks. It's a little bit faster, easier to post, so you guys will be more up to date if you guys follow me over there. And I picked up some seats for the S2000. So I've been trying to fix the interior on this car. I've been kind of hinting and trying to decide whether I should sell the S2000. I'm gonna put it up and see if somebody, the right buyer, comes along. If not, I'll just keep it. But I've been slowly fixing up the interior since this is kind of my daily right now. So as you guys know, we put on just regular wheels with street tires, took off the race brakes, and I've just been cruising around on the street with it. It's got AC, it's 110 out right now. So if I look like I'm sweating, I probably am because it's super hot out here. So I've been just dailying it, and I've been wanting to fix the interior. So I've been slowly fixing it up. You guys probably, if you're following along, saw on the other video, I put new carpet on that side, you know, new used, so good condition carpet on that side. And I put really good mint door panels on this thing. So we got door panels, and the interior, the original seats are just roasted out of this thing. So as you can see, driver's seat is toast, and the passenger seat's not much better, tiny bit better. It's in decent shape, but you can see the seam. Hopefully you can see around that hat. The seam at the bottom let go. So rather than trying to get those reupholstered, I found a mint condition set of OEM seats. The leather's super soft, there's no rips or tears in them. They look perfect. So I also ordered the carpet for this side, and I got the trim piece coming for here that I've been missing for a while. So I'm gonna get this all buttoned up, and we'll see if it sells. If not, I'm not gonna be mad if it doesn't sell regardless, but at least the inside will be all fixed up. So even though my carpet doesn't show up for the driver's side, I ordered it online. It shows up mid next week. I want to get the old seats out. That way I can be sitting in some decent seats. This driver's seat's gonna have to come out again once the carpet shows up. But I do want to get the stock seats, or the original seats for the car that are in there, out of the car. That way I can try to recoup some money to pay for those seats. So I'm just gonna sell those used seats. Somebody will buy them and reupholster them. Obviously I'm not gonna get as much as I paid for those, but it'll kind of balance out and work out. So yeah, I'm gonna pull out with those two seats, throw these two seats in, and Jason should be showing up at some point, which I'll probably cut over to the next video, but I might give you guys a sneak peek in this video of his truck. So anyways, let's get to work. It's only 4 bolts holding each seat in. It's like a 12 and a 14. They both come out. Let's get to it. And to make this a little bit easier on myself, I am going to put the roof down. So if you guys don't know, this roof is like, not that I care that much, but I remember that Jeremy Clarkson guy showed that this is the fastest roof convertible that comes down. Watch how fast it is. I don't know what the seconds are on that, but it's like, woo, 10 seconds and the roof comes off. So anyways, we got a couple bolts here, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. Don't get any funny ideas from that joke. Let's go, let's take them out. Well, that escalated quickly. With me being kind of the OCD person that I am, I saw the rails and somebody had augured them out because somebody had these in a different vehicle before. So they had kind of the holes augured out to fit whatever they had on there, and you can kind of see some crappy tack welds on there too for some different brackets at some point. And I wanted to put my mint condition rails on the good seats. Other thing too is I'm thinking, I already obviously disassembled, this is our good seat, but the bolster is a little bit worn on the driver's side, not like, you know, just typical driver's side wear. So I'm wondering if I can swap this for the passenger side, because if I can, that would save the bolster on the driver's side, because the passenger side seat's like never been sat in, it looks like. So anyways, I'm just swapping some components over. We'll see what happens here. Seat mania. Okay, old seat, new seat, old seat, new seat. So swapping everything out, let's do it. All right, if this looks messy, it's because it is, but both the seat bottoms are identical. So I'm gonna swap driver and passenger just to kind of give the driver one a break. We'll put it on the passenger side because it'll be fine over there since it's not going to get wear on the inside. So we'll swap this out, put all these rails on. It's getting crazy over here. What is that thing, you guys? We got Jason. He showed up and we got a new project. So this is going to be the next video you guys are going to see, but maybe we'll only show you the front there. Just sneak peek for now. You guys are going to have to tune in to the next video. But I got the seats done. I know you guys want to see this more than the seats probably, but seats are done. I swapped the base of the seat. So this bolster is now on the inside on the passenger side, and we got a fresh bottom of the base of the seat on this one. So I'm gonna throw them back in, 4 bolts each. You guys know the deal, let's throw it in. Okay guys, we got the seats in. So look at that. You guys remember what the old ones look like. We got the new bolster on this side and she's looking much better. So like I said, I got the carpet coming this week. So once that shows up, we'll get the carpet in. I have this trim showing up and we'll get this thing all buttoned up and we will see if she sells. We don't know. All right guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. So just a quick little video for you guys. Right now I have to take the S2000 out, push it out. We gotta push Jason's truck in, but you guys will see all that on the next video. So make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and if you share the videos, it does help the channel and help it grow. So please do that for me. See you guys on the next video.